maintenance planning. You got to do your maintenance planning. You're not going to let AI do the maintenance planning for you. However, with an AI platform underpinning your maintenance planning system, you're able to start looking at trends across different routes, different tails or registrations of the aircraft or engines. You can start looking at optimizing the way you do your maintenance planning, your line maintenance. You can start predicting by looking at patterns your long-term maintenance, so your AOG, your aircraft on ground times are minimized, your disruption to your fleet is minimized, and you maximize the utilization of your fleet. That comes over time. The challenge is how much predictive analytics you want to introduce in the way you operate your fleet, and how does that tie in with current agreements where things need to be at fault to be replaced, as opposed to the predictability of something potentially being at fault and being replaced before they are at fault. That's a different topic. We can talk about that another time.